A brand on fire, Subaru can seemingly do no wrong. A combination of masterful marketing and a trifecta of crossovers has fanned the flames. Their cars are also rans, yet they continue to set sales records without even having a true midsize SUV in their lineup. But now that they do, I would expect that meteoric ascent to continue.
Subaru has been down this road before with the B9 Tribeca, their first three-row that proved too small for American tastes and faded away several years ago. But this one is going to be a winner. Like all Subarus, the Ascent doesn't push the envelope, but rather waits for it to be delivered in the mail, observing what its successful competitors are doing and then applying those lessons in a Subaru kind of way. A unique boxer engine, continuously variable transmission, and a renowned all-wheel drive system are de rigueur for the brand, as is their appeal to the safety conscious. And the Ascent is all of that, a Subaru through and through, without even a hint of ostentatiousness. This is a family mover the Subi crowd will find very attractive. So here are the vitals. A base model with standard 8-passenger seating starts at just under $33,000. There are 4 trim levels, all of which are mechanically identical. Powered by an all-new 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, fed its air through a twin-scroll turbocharger, paired to a beefed-up CVT to handle this motor's formidable 277 pound-feet of torque. The base Ascent is only rated for 2,000 pounds towing, but the other 3 are capable of 5,000 pounds. 18-inch wheels are standard on the base and premium trims like this one here, while limited and touring models are riding on 20s, and this choice affects gas mileage. The smaller rims deliver more efficiency, rated at 21 mpg city, 27 highway, and that is on 87 octane. There's nearly 9 inches of ground clearance, so using the standard off-road X mode for increased four-wheel traction at low speeds is firmly in play. Second-row captain's chairs are optional on the 2 middle trims and standard on the top-of-the-line touring. This is trim number 2, the Ascent Premium, optioned with the 7-passenger convenience package, including a power rear gate, keyless access, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and reverse automatic braking, for a total MSRP of $36,831. Now, you do miss out on things such as LED lighting both inside and out, fog lights, a moonroof, leather seating, a power-adjustable passenger seat, enhanced instrument cluster, and onboard navigation. But this all helps keep the premium's pricing very reasonable, giving it a high-value proposition.
I admit, I'm a bit perplexed by Subaru's popularity. They certainly don't have much sizzle to sell, if you will. Take this Ascent, for example. Beyond fashionably late to the SUV party, it looks like something that's already been on the market for about 5 years now. It's brand new, and yet no one gives it a second glance. There is really nothing revolutionary going on here. And yet, and it's an important yet, this is the smoothest driving 3-row in its class and as quiet as a Lexus. And considering that it's using a small displacement turbo and a CVT, that's pretty darn remarkable. And it possesses that super soft ride quality that I desire of a vehicle in this class. So yes, it's a great drive. However, Subaru has played the Ascent much like it does all of their vehicles, ultra conservatively.
However, the harmony of the powertrain and its eagerness to move quickly and ultra smoothly is shockingly good. Bravo to Subaru for delivering 260 horsepower through a CVT in the best way possible. Now, I'd be remiss if I didn't mention that this CVT has stuttered at times. Infrequently for sure, but just enough to make me wonder if it's my tester or a larger issue. So make sure you take your own test drive.
I can't get over how beautifully this drives, choosing soft and supple over European tuned. And this plays in its favor off-road too, where the Ascent feels completely composed over rough trail roads. These cloth seats are a perfect fit, spill resistant, and long trip comfortable. Now, it's not splashy in any way, but give Subaru credit. They certainly do know how to make an easy to use car. It's really quite welcoming.
The overall interior sizing seems just right, with the correct amount of space in each seat, including the very usable third row. Separate climate controls and more USB ports keep second row occupants comfortable, and double-digit cup holders ensure there's always an appropriately sized drink spot. The entire cabin is easygoing and ergonomically sound, with a cargo area and seats that slide, recline, and fold with manual ease, and a touchscreen with redundancy knobs and full smartphone integration. There's a Wi-Fi hotspot too. And I'm surprised by the powerfully clear-sounding 6-speaker stereo system, not the 14-speaker Harman Kardon surround sound available in higher trims. And eyesight is standard across the board, using stereo cameras to provide automatic pre-collision braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning. This premium trim also adds blind spot detection with lane change assist and rear cross traffic alert. All of the safety points parents will find comforting. It's interesting to note, though, that there is no hands-free liftgate available. So Subaru finally has a dimensionally appropriate Highlander pilot fighter with a sophisticated drive that's better than both of them. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.